All right, let's solve this exponential equation together. We are given x to the power 4 minus x squared equals 72. All right, so let's change this one since x to the power 4 is the same as x squared or squared. Now I'm going back. 2 times 2 is 4. So I've done nothing. Minus x squared equals to 72. All right, so let's introduce a new variable. So we should let y be x squared. Okay, so we have x squared here, we have 1 here. So we have y squared minus y equals to 72. Let's arrange it. Y squared minus y minus 72 equal to 0. All right, so let's solve this one. Okay, it's a quadratic equation. Okay, so we have 9h. So y squared minus 9y plus hy minus 72 equal to 0. So this side will be y minus 9 plus 8 y minus 9 equal to 0. So we have y minus 9, then y plus 8 equal to 0. So we have y equals 9, y equals minus 8. Okay, so let's do the substitution and see. So we have y equals x squared. So the first answer is 9. Let's plug in 9 and see. 9 equals to x squared. Okay, so can take square root on both sides. All right, so my x here will be plus or minus 3. Okay, now let's look at when y is negative 8. So we have minus 8 equals to x squared. So taking square root on both sides, we have x equals to square root of minus 8. So this one will be complex. So the same as minus 1 times 8 minus 1 times root 8. Okay, plus x. All right, so square root of minus 1 the same as I. So my x will be root 8i. Okay, so that's the second answer. So in going forward, you can say x equals to 4 times 2 I root 4 times root 2 times I. So we have 2 root 2 I. So that's that. All right, so thanks for watching. So this one is rejected. Okay.